My name is Michael L. Young. I'm the Director of Career and Technical Education at the Cypress Center, which is a satellite campus of CyFair, the CyFair campus. We call it workforce, but it's really career and technical education, and that is welding, machining, drafting, field service technician, industrial electronics. It's called engineering design technology. You're not being taught to be an engineer. You're taught design, drafting, and we have two tracks. We have a mechanical track and we have an architectural track. If you want to concentrate on mechanical design, you can, or if you want to do architectural design, you can. And what that allows a student, if a student does architectural design, then all the courses are geared for what they're going to see when they go to work for either a contractor who's doing buildings, or more specifically an architectural firm. We're on the mechanical track. It's more what you're going to see if you go to work for Subsea or Thrustmaster or a mechanical company. You'll be, doing mechanical things like transmissions or pumps or skid-mounted compressors and things like that. What these students can expect is, right now, the theory's online, and so when they do come to campus, they go straight to the lab. And welding, they go straight to welding. And the drafting, they go straight into the computer lab, and they start drawing or designing. In machining, the manual is all on manual machines, which is the forerunner of learning computer numeric controlled. We've got a lot of industry that will not hire a student unless they finish the manual certificate, even though they're going to put them on a computer numeric control machine. They want to make sure that they have the theory, the hands-on feel of what it's like to cut metal. Students can expect in all these courses to do exactly what they're doing, what they're interested in the level 1 certificates. So if they want the associate degree, they can. After the associate's degree now, if they want a bachelor's degree, they can actually get one. It's basically a management degree. We have some industry that will go and hire these students at that level 1 certificate level, expecting them to stay in school. They'll put them on a night shift or a weekend shift, but they expect them to continue at Lonestar to finish the associate's degree as a condition of their employment, because they want that well-rounded student. If you are tired of what you did yesterday, you're dissatisfied with where you are right now in your career path, we have career options at this center that should be able to pique your interest and help you rewrite your future. Drafting or design, machining or welding, out of those three are great pathways to help an individual rewrite their future and get an introduction into a new career.